Hello friends, welcome to MechSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by Central Institute of Plastics Engineering and Technology. They are looking for the candidates to the various posts of Senior Officer, Officer, Technical Officer, Assistant Officer, Assistant Technical Officer, Administrative Assistant Group 3, Technical Assistant Group 3. Senior Officer having the vacancies of 4 and their pay matrix will be 67,700 rupees per month. Officer post having 6 vacancies and their pay matrix is 56,100 plus allowances applicable. Technical Officer having 10 vacancies, their payment matrix also same as Officer. Assistant Officer having 6 vacancies, Assistant Technical Officer having 10 vacancies, their payment scale are 44,900 per month. Administrative Assistant Group 3 and Technical Assistant Group 3 having the vacancies of 6 and 15 respectively, and their pay matrix is 21,700 rupees per month. It is not an online application mode. You have to download the application form and fill the application form and send it to this address: the Director Administration, CIPET Head Office, TVK Industrial Estate, Gindi, Chennai. Last date is May 29th, 2020. In description I provided the link to application form. You can download it and fill the application form and send it through speed post. Let's see the essential qualifications required for applying these jobs. For Senior Officer, maximum age limit is 40 years. Educational and experience: educational, graduation in any discipline from recognized university and MBA. Minimum 8 years experience in HR, administration, personnel, purchase function. Officer, maximum age is 35 years and required educational qualification is graduation in MBA or post graduation in public administration or PG diploma in management with a minimum 55% mark at graduation. Minimum 5 years experience in HR, administration, personnel and purchase functions. Let's see Technical Officer educational qualification. Minimum qualification are full-time first class, ME MTech with 2 years post qualification experience in the relevant field of polymers plastics. Maximum age limit is 35 years. Assistant Technical Officer, processing, testing, tool room. Maximum age limit is 32 years. Qualification: full-time first class, BE BTech in mechanical, chemical, polymer technology or equivalent with 2 years relevant post qualification experience. or full-time first-class MSc Master in Science with specialization in Polymer Science with 3 years post-qualification experience in relevant field of polymers or plastics. Assistant Officer Personnel and Administration or Assistant Officer Finance and Account. Maximum age limit also 32. Qualifications for Personnel and Administration: graduation in any discipline and MBA or PG Diploma in Management and having minimum 55% mark at graduation. For Finance and Account, first class with degree, discipline is BCom. Experience for Personnel and Administration: 3 years post qualification experience in HR administration, personnel and purchase function. For Finance and Account, 3 years relevant post qualification experience is needed. For Administrative Assistant Group 3, maximum age limit is 32 years and the minimum qualification is graduation in any discipline with minimum 52% of marks. Speed in English typing at 35 words per minute or speed in Hindi typing 30 words per minute. Experience: minimum 2 years post qualification experience handling office communications. Technical Assistant Group 3, maximum age limit is 32 years. Qualification is Diploma in Mechanical, TPMT, DPT, PGTP, TQC, CAD/CAM with 1 year relevant post qualification experience or ITI fitter, turner, machinist with 2 years relevant post qualification experience. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.